Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix lag in Minecraft Pocket Edition. First, close any apps running in the background that you don't need. Then restart your phone and open Minecraft again. Next, check your game settings and lower the render distance if it is set very high, because a shorter render distance can reduce the amount of world your device has to process. You can also lower graphics related settings if your device struggles with performance. And make sure your phone has enough free storage and isn't overheating while you're playing. And if you're using Wi-Fi, check that your connection is stable, especially when playing online. And avoid using too many resource-heavy add-ons, shaders, or texture packs on a device that already struggles with performance. So those are simple ways to improve Minecraft Pocket Edition performance. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.